It is absolutely pouring, and oh wow, that motorcycle fell over. Yeah, pouring. So Eric went to go get our raincoat so we can put it over the stroller so this baby girl can stop getting so wet. We're going into this hole in the wall for breakfast.
I'll be so mad.
Gotcha. Here, let me.
Tonkatsu. Is it good?
어디다 또 진짜 또 어디다 또
Which brown do you think would look nice on me? This one? It's a dark brown. What about this one? Or this one? This one?
Yeah.
You like that one? Okay, and then I tend to go for something like this.
here, but this is very strong. So I would recommend to smell like that because the real scent will be very different one.
Girls living her best life.